Hey, it's Jennifer with Directly Jen. Thanks so much for ordering your round labels with Directly Jen. I'm going to go ahead and walk you through how to upload these to Vistaprint so that you can print them off and get the best possible outcome with your print project. So let's go ahead and jump in. So we're going to click on Labels and Stickers, and then we're going to go to Custom Stickers. We are then going to go to Shape and click on Circle. Size is 1.5 by 1.5. Material, I usually choose paper, but you can choose whatever you want. And then quantity, we'll just leave that at that, and then we'll click on Upload Design. And I'm going to click on Upload Design. Now this one we are going to use a PNG file, as opposed to normally we actually use our PDFs. So I'm going to click on that, but I'm actually going to, because I've already uploaded it, just click on it here and then click on the preview. It looks great. And then we're going to click on Next. Yes, it looks great. Continue. I'm going to add it to my cart. And you can choose shiny or matte. I usually do glossy, I think. Add it to my cart. And it's going to try and sell me a bunch of extra crap, so I'm just going to say continue to cart. Oops. I think I may have just clicked away from it, so click back to my cart. There they are in my cart. And then just a really cool thing is if you have it, and I don't know why it's not showing up right, but Rakuten, it's amazing. I use it to save a ton of money on things. With cash back, you're going to get 3% cash back, up to 10% cash back. I just had on an order on Vistaprint the other day. And as you can see, I'm using it in other places as well. So there's a link to it in the email that I've sent you with your files. If you haven't signed up, just go ahead and use that. It is a referral link. You get $30 and I get $30. So it's kind of like a great benefit to both of us. And that's the Rakuten little dealio. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me and I will be sure to help you troubleshoot any issues that you've got. So thanks again for ordering with Directly Jen.